My good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this now, me don't come your screen, me don't come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside the nation Nigeria. The cocoa now be say, one countryman where they go by the name Benjamin Kanu, he na the deputy speaker of the House of Representatives. He now don't come outside and drop hint, he now don't come out and drop expo about the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And the expo be say soon and very soon they will release Oga Nnamdi Kanu, will be the leader of the IPOB. You know say currently Nnamdi Kanu they face treason trial and he has been in custody of the Department of State Services since the month of June for inside the year 2021. Oga Benjamin Kanu now don't come outside the yarn say high-level underground dialogues with relevant authorities is going on like this, and the purpose of all these levels so na to secure the release of Nnamdi Kanu. And the deputy speaker dey yarn all these levels during one meeting like that with the Southeast Legislators Forum for inside Abuja. Na then come dey express optimism, he come dey express hopefulness and confidence say the results of the meeting go soon become visible. And according to how the talk dey come outside from him mouth, he say like this now in the fight for Nnamdi Kanu to come outside and very soon he go last come outside. But please make country people put am for their prayers. Then he can emphasize, he can talk plenty about the importance of unity and synergy amongst political leaders for inside the region. He can give accolade to the lawmakers where they interested in the ongoing constitution amendment process, and he can encourage them to give their full support. Then from there, Oga Benjamin Kanu constantly canvass support for the Southeast Development Commission and the administration of our current president, and that na the one and only Bola Ahmed Tinubu. In con dey yarn now say this government now, this administration under our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, e dey mean well for Indibo and the general public at large. According to Oga Benjamin Kanu, he said the power of networking is more than money. Unity is power, and we dey hardly recognize our own, and we dey lose a lot of things because of say we no dey recognize our own. So we need to end the sit at home. People now they destroy themselves and it no make sense. We need to come together. The power of unity, the power of growth is very much important. This my good people, now few of the many talk will come aside from the mouth of the deputy speaker of the House of Representatives, will be Oga Benjamin Kanu. And no be lie, my good people, Oga Benjamin Kanu now one of the many men where they genuinely fight for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Now one of the many men where they genuinely fight for Nnamdi Kanu to come up for the custody of the Department of State Services. They want to make the leader of the IPOB get in freedom last. And the efforts they show, in they only talk the talk, but through ways and means, in they take actions, in they take moves, in they do initiatives to make sure say last wetin in talk happen. Anyhow, this informative be you for body, my good people. Feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I still get another legit intel still about Oga Nnamdi Kanu wey dey my table like this, and I need to share and give the general public. The koko be say the German initiative for knowledge transfer, they don renew their appeal to the Nigerian government urging the release of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, wey be Nnamdi Kanu, to address the persistent insecurity, the continuous chaos katakata wey dey happen for inside the southeast region. One countryman wey dey go by the name Honorable Obinna, he na the country director of the agency. He can call on our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu to make him intervene, make him resolve the issue. And Oga Obinna can emphasize, he can talk about the prolonged detention of Nnamdi Kanu as the thing don continue to dey fuel unrest for inside the region. Na sake of say Oga Nnamdi Kanu is in captivity. Na why jaguda activities, na why kasala dey still dey happen for inside the southeast region, and that na why they urge our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu to make him release Nnamdi Kanu so that the southeast region go fit calm down. For inside one statement like that, where Oga Obinna drop, he na con dey highlight the need for an alternative dispute resolution mechanism to achieve peace. He na dey yarn say make dem forget all this court matter. E get another thing wey go fit play, and that another thing be say they fit get another agreement, some kind of dialogue, some kind of arrangement wey two of them they go fit come to like agreement, so that Oga Nnamdi Kanu go get im way. Then the federal government they go still have their way. Make e be say the situation na win-win, nobody lose. Oga Obi na come still dey yarn say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu im get the opportunity to succeed where his predecessor wey be Muhammadu Buhari fail by addressing the case of Oga Nnamdi Kanu. Now im dey appeal to Oga President Bola Ahmed Tinubu make im kindly intervene and graciously approve and direct the activation of a process wey go see to the release of Nnamdi Kanu and the restoration of peace and security for inside Southeast through negotiation and alternative dispute resolution mechanism. Dis my good pipo na the appeal wey the German Initiative for Knowledge Transfer don renew so to the Nigerian government, and no be lie my good pipo, dis no be the first time wey the thing dey happen. You know say the German agency dem bin don make similar appeals to the former president of this our green white green country Nigeria so, and that na the one and only Muhammadu Buhari, but no action was taken. Oga Muhammadu Buhari just do as if this appeal no get meaning, e no get any sense wey e wan make for we nation Nigeria. Now the same appeal now they don forward and give our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to make him consider things and things to make sure say there is peace in the Southeast region. And before peace go come, last they gats release Nnamdi Kanu. And no be lie my good people, if you touchlight this matter properly, you go see and say last na until they release Nnamdi Kanu na peace go enter the Southeast region, unless the federal government no want make peace dey for the Southeast region. Na why they still gree die, na why they still continue to be like Pharaoh for the life of Nnamdi Kanu. Despite many appeals, despite many pleads, despite many calls from lawmakers, governors, civil society groups, coalition groups dem, many organizations dem for inside we nation Nigeria and diaspora, the past administration and this current one under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they just choose to play dumb. They choose to play blind and deaf. They pretend as if they no dey observe. They pretend as if they no know wetin they go do. They pretend as if they no dey see say there is trouble in the Southeast, and they pretend as if they no dey hear the cry of innocent countrymen dem. And this kind levels normally e no make sense at all. All this my good people na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby now to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring in news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Me dey come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.